Talent acquisition is extremely important to our organization. When we look for candidates, we're looking for people that can join a part of our culture and our family. And we look for three things within the talent that we're identifying. One, fun with a purpose. Two, servant's heart, and a can-do, will-do attitude. Most importantly, our people, we want them passionate about serving children and feeling like feeding children is a higher calling. Once the new hire has been selected, it is so important for us to give them a training schedule, as well as put them through a new hire orientation where they can feel pulled into OPAA's mission, vision, and values and get consistent messaging. So our new hires will go through a formatted onboarding program where they'll understand our values, our processes, and our training. And really, the goal of this program is to make them feel included, to get them supported and set up for success, and really just buy into what we're doing. So at OPAA, we do have a dedicated trainer and mentor that we set every new director up with, and that's through the certified training districts. Each of our directors will get a mentor that they can go to for help, for questions, or even just to build relationships with and have another person to check in on them.
One of the best things about my job is building those relationships with all of the superintendents in all three of my states. I think that is extremely important because it is a partnership. We're working together for one common goal, which is to feed and take care of those students. So from day one, that is my mission, is to establish a great relationship and be able to talk to those superintendents, explain our business, answer their questions. Really, I just make myself available at any given time to make sure that they feel comfortable with the process and with our program, and I'm very proud of that. What I'm looking for when I sit down to look over resumes or look on our job boards to see who's interested is someone that has that same passion and excitement that also aligns with the job responsibilities. So what we are looking for is more of a culture fit, someone that we feel like we could easily welcome into our family. I would tell anyone that's looking at OPAA and thinking about making this move to come on board with OPAA as a career, that it's absolutely the right place to be. You will have so many different levels of support, no matter what position you come on board with or as. It is a family, and above all, we like to have fun with a purpose, so it doesn't feel like work every day. It feels like a fun family atmosphere in everything that we do.